What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm doing some knee length knotless box braids, and I'm using these 4 colors here for my blend. It is a 30, a 27, a 350, and then I use just a little bit of the 613 blonde to give it a bit of a highlight. And I decided not to cut the pack of expressions hair this time because if you guys see my last knotless box braid video where I tried to do them really long, it was kind of just like a fail. So I took the hair straight out of the pack of expressions, and I had to individually pre-stretch each one, which was literally an arm workout. Like I would never do that again. So I decided to use the back of the door because my arms were literally burning, and I stretched each pack and then I blended them all together, and I turned out with this beautiful blend of colors that I absolutely loved. I'm so sorry for my camera being foggy. I don't know why it was like that, but y'all, this whole process right here took me about 30 to 45 minutes just to blend those colors together. So I'm showing you guys how I laid the hair out on my table. If you guys saw my prepping video, you guys will know that I use that method to always lay out my hair. The only thing that I did different is that I didn't lay out all the hair that I used for the style because I was worried about it tangling, which it really does do. So you just have to really take your time with these because it will tangle at the bottom, and just like picking it up off the tray, like you snag all different types of hair. So yes. Y'all, I'm literally so goofy. I was like, I barely have room to do these box braids. I don't know why I was so geeked to do these. But yeah, I love doing knotless box braids. My client was like, they're not even heavy, and then like you can move them any type of way. I was like, I'm about to jump rope over these for the video, but I just decided to do a little bit of double dutch instead. But come on now, you cannot do these with regular box braids. You know, sis would be dying. So yeah, we was just having too much fun in the salon. So I wanted to get a couple different angles so you guys could see how I was gripping for my videos. I'm really not doing anything different and pertaining to like the knotless box braid aspect of it. The only thing that's really different is, like I said, the hair tangles a lot at the bottom. So you guys know how you're braiding and you kind of run your fingers through the braid to make sure it's not tangled. You definitely have to do that a lot more than you typically would have to do for like regular box braids, because oh my god, there was a couple times where it knotted so bad at the bottom that I just had to like cut it. Or like I had stopped braiding all the way down and I was like, I'll just take care of it at the end, because you really do have to brush through sometimes. So here I'm finished with all the braids. I'm just going through and braiding down that top section that I had done, because like I said, it gets really tangled, so you guys will see me occasionally brushing. A lot of people ask if my hands ever hurt while I'm braiding, and they don't. But after this style, my hands were actually hurting because I felt like I was doing just like 2 heads of box braids or something, and then like the tangling, it was a lot. So if I had to do this service again, I would probably charge $400, which I don't think is unreasonable, just for like the amount of time that it takes and just like the strain that it puts on the body. And like I said, just blending the hair alone was literally a headache. So yeah, $400. So yeah, like I said, this style took me a total of about 5 hours. I used 2 packs of each color of the hair, except for the blonde, I only used 1 pack. So in total, it's about 7 packs of hair altogether. But like I said, my client said it wasn't heavy until I dipped it and it was wet, and she was like, okay, now I kind of feel it. So I didn't show this. After I dipped it, I had put what's it called? I had put beads on the ends of the braids just to like spark it up and make it like super cute. The beads were a different shades of brown, and they're kind of like not super noticeable, but you guys will see it in the ending clip. When I was dipping it, I didn't really do anything different. I kind of just dipped it like I would regularly dip any client's hair. I didn't put any mousse, so I just did her edges and dipped it, and that was because her hair texture is really frizzy, and I felt like putting mousse on it would kind of loosen up that base or just really make it frizz up. So I don't do the same thing for every single client. It really depends on what hair type, what hair texture I'm working on. Sometimes you do have to alter your methods and what you do. So yes guys, this is the finished look. You guys can kind of see the beads on the end there, and I love this color combination. Make sure, as always, you guys like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. Make sure you guys share my videos, and I will catch you guys in my next one. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?